Hey everybody, this is Rodney. I had a swarm here in my home yard. It's not a real large swarm, but I'm gonna put them over here in this log hive. I've got a frame that I made to go in there, and I'm going to rubber band her to it. Got the queen and the queen clip. I'm gonna put her right in here. Right down in there like that. Just like that, and let her sit in there. And I'll come back in 2 days and release her. But for now, set her right down in here. Well, that fit the other day. Well, what doesn't this thing want to go? Okay, there it goes. There it went. All right, now that's in there. Let's get these girls and get them dumped over in there. See how that works. Leave that there, put them in there. Put the lid on. Come on. Do that to hold the lid on. Let's see if we can get these girls to start marching. These girls have a chance to figure out where she's at. Figure out the entrance. Yeah, they smell her up there at the top. I'm wanting them to go to the hole over there. Yeah, that gap's big enough they can get in. Let them go in and settle down. Keep my fingers crossed they'll get orientated to the hole that I drilled in it. Right there. I'm sure they'll find it. There they go. There goes one in there. If they ever start fanning around it, then they'll get the gist of it. They'll clean up the inside of that log and hopefully thrive. In 2 days, I'll release the queen and we'll go from there. Again, thanks everybody. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you like this kind of content. Take care.